So Dave's got a piece of tape on the really large diameter pipe, that your bends be as gradual as possible. 3-inch pipe would just as soon fold up and pucker up and make a big mess as it would bend. So we try to make our bends as far ahead of time as possible and make them as slight as possible. He's got the pipe laying on the floor, so it's a good flat plane, so he can make sure that the apex of his bend is, of all of his bends, are parallel. So you can see here on the bender, you kind of have to guess where level is, but he made a mark while it was on the floor that'll help him keep it level. And you can see even with those gradual bends he's making, we still end up with a pretty substantial deformation of the pipe. The only solution to that deformation of the pipe, wherever the pipe gets smaller like that, it hurts the performance of the car. It slows down the exhaust gases. The only solution is a mandrel bent exhaust system. You can buy pre-bent pieces and cut and piece them together.